Hey, what's going on, guys? My name is Gerard, and today we're gonna learn how to kick turn. So a kick turn is pretty much exactly what you think it would be, right? Up until now, you just ride forwards and backwards on the ramp. When you learn how to kick turn, you're gonna go up the transition, pivot on your back foot, and turn back down into the ramp. This, for the first time, is gonna give you a little bit more mobility, and it's really the cornerstone for a lot of tricks that you're gonna learn later on, especially axle stall. Foot placement for kick turn, you're really just looking at your back foot, just like pumping your back foot in the pocket. I like to put my front foot up here on the bolts. It's really gonna give you a good pivot point around that back foot if you have a nice wide stance. So what you're gonna do is come up the transition, lean on your back foot, turn your shoulders all the way around, and then stomp your foot back in to ride back into the ramp. The key to this trick is all in the shoulders. So one thing you're gonna learn about skateboarding is your shoulders are gonna control where your feet go. So to be able to turn completely around, you need to make sure that you turn your shoulders complete 180 degrees so that your feet follow you. When you're first learning the trick, you may even wanna put your arms out just to get used to that arm turning motion. Kind of like when you were exercising in PE when you were a kid, moving your arms back and forth. Where people mess up on this trick is they don't turn their shoulders all the way around. So if you just focus on your shoulders more than anything, the board's gonna come with you and your feet are gonna follow. Sometimes when learning this trick, it's easier to come up the ramp at more of an angle before you turn. That way you don't have to turn as far. That's completely up to you. Eventually you wanna be able to do a kick turn when you ride straight up the ramp, turn a complete 180 degrees, and then ride back down. You just learned how to kick turn. Nice work. Should feel a lot more comfortable on the ramp now. You're not just going forwards and backwards the whole time. Don't forget, leave a comment down below. Let me know what trick you want to learn next or what trick you want me to learn next. And if you learn a new trick, send a video my way. You might find yourself featured at the end of the next video. Till then, see you guys next time.